Hello and welcome to yet another video, and in this video it's gonna be another unboxing video, and this is my new camera, my new video camera actually. Well, it's a mirrorless camera from Canon from the title, and I'm sorry if this video might have some influence of like other instrument noises, musical instruments, because like if you notice, like I've been moving to different working stations lately. That's because I've been working for like project management and video filming in different cities, and right now I'm in Leipzig, Germany, and this is my working station, and I'm actually back at my hotel room, and apparently there are other like apartment buildings around here, and it seems like someone has been like practicing their musical instruments the entire day. Sometimes I would hear violin, sometimes I would hear saxophone and other instruments. But anyway, back to the video, because that was just to give you an update. Like if you start hearing random musical instruments playing in the background, I already closed the window and it's like 39 degrees today, and I'm dying in my room right now, and I just came back from outside, which I mean it's not helping here inside either. I also turned off the lights because if you're wondering why the image is very noisy, because well, it's filming in the dark. The only light source, this is the only light source I have in this room right now, because that light, the main light, it causes a lot of flickering in the video. So right now I'm at ISO 2500, just saying. Anyway, back to the unboxing of this. This is the Canon Eos M50. Why do I have... Since my main video camera, which is the Canon Eos M50, broke, I decided to replace it with this camera instead, because well, it has better dual pixel. It does not have weather sealing though, which is a shame, but since this camera will also be my vlogging camera and my travel camera, I'm trying to only break the tape here, not the actual bubble wrap. So this might take some time. So with the 70D, it's, yeah, I checked the price. In order to fix it, it's around 400 euros, so I could just buy another 70D used on eBay for that price, or just get like, or just spend 100 euros more and get the Eos M50 with a kit lens. And that's pretty much what I've done here, if I can figure out the mess here. This room is actually really dark. It's darker than in the video, so sometimes I'm just looking at the screen of the video just to see what I'm doing, so please don't get annoyed. But yeah, and it was actually quite sad that the camera broke, because that camera has a lot of memory, like emotional memory wise, but yeah, not everything lasts forever. Okay, that tape doesn't do anything. It actually came in this typical packaging bag with the address, but I took that off because there was already that big hole in there. So I guess someone took a look, because this was actually sent to another workplace with a different address and a different name on it. I do have the EOS M10 here, however, so I guess I'll also be comparing to this, and hopefully I'll be not really replacing it, but replacing it in terms of like my portable camera, because as of my portable camera, because my 5D Mark III and my other 5D is not exactly always portable. Let's say if I want to go with my friends to like have dinner, but I want to bring a camera along, I don't feel like bringing my 5D Mark III along. And my 70D, as you guys know, broke. And that camera, well, it's a really good camera, but I feel like this is a better all-around camera. And it's definitely a much better video camera. Oh shoot, I'm actually bleeding. Okay, never mind. For the sake of the video, let's continue. The box is really cute and small. Okay, it has the English instruction manual. So I'm actually guessing this is not the German manual. I live in Germany. Okay. Strap. Battery. Ooh. The camera. By the way, I ordered the white version because it was 10 euros cheaper. This was 487 euros with a kit lens in there, which I will not be opening because I have it right here. And to be honest, my favorite lens is actually the 22mm, but for 478 euros with the body with a kit lens, that's actually quite nice. Then the power cable, and that's the power. That's the battery charger, which is nice, but I'll open that later. For now, let's just get into the camera. Well, LPE12, that's the same battery as if you're using like a 100D or the EOS M10, and yeah, that's quite nice. Another reason why I bought this camera is because of its dual pixel AF, and I also just, ooh, it's really hot. It smells nice. Let's just say that. I can't relate it to anything. I love the screen when it's like, you know, those touch screen when it just came from the factory and it's not yet been touched and there's no oil on it yet. I just love like just how glossy it is. This is something that is different from the EOS M10, and I wish it would carry onto the EOS M50 actually, but the EOS M10 has this card slot on the side here. Canon could just have done that and just keep that. That was so convenient. Instead, it's here and you have to take your travel plate out, but I'm sure hundreds of other people just complained about it. You have your EVF, which is good. Put the battery in. If it's not charged, I'll just use the battery from that camera. If it's charged, then it's good. Oh, I need an SD card, but it's okay. Can just be popped up pretty easily. That's something that I'll have to get used to. Okay, let me just put a lens on it. My favorite EOS M lens. Oh, there's a sign that the battery actually, well, there's some juice in the battery. I really like the design. I never hold one of this in my hand. I had the EOS M5, great camera, but this thing doesn't feel that far off. Sure, it actually feels more plasticky when you compare it to the M5, to be honest. Turning it on, date. Oh, I've been working so much, I forgot the date. Okay. If you can hear the instrumental sound, I'm so sorry. This is August. I just realized in like less than 23 days, my university will start again. It keeps on giving me all these guides, but I guess I can always change. This is low light, as I said. I'm using ISO 2500 on that, and this lens, so it's a pretty dark environment right now, and as I said, this is the only light source apart from this monitor. This is the, well, technically I have two light sources then. Yeah, so the focus is actually really quick and accurate. I know, man, this is like, the EOS M10 is actually pretty good at autofocusing, but I mean, if you know how to use it, of course, and if you can get used to the camera, sure, it's not the fastest in the world, but because a lot of people say it's slow, that's why you have the impression that it's slow. So it's the same effect that a lot of people say this camera is really plasticky, and so when you have, oh, change battery pack. Okay, will do. It's not that hard. Original Canon. This is also what I love about my 5D system and also the newer Canon cameras, is that the LPE6 and the LPE6N batteries is just like compatible with a lot of cameras in the Canon semi-professional lineup. And I just realized I never wear my hat in my videos. I should do that more often, right? Probably not. Anyway, yeah, that has been a quick unboxing of this camera. I might put like sample pictures as I did in the EOS M10. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have fun shooting, and if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Yeah. Bye. Hi, sorry it's a little brighter now, and I have no hat on. But like, it wouldn't be my video if I didn't name this camera. So as any of my cameras, including this one that I'm filming, every single camera I own, I name them. So wait, let me just get in focus. And yeah, so this camera name will be Haruka. That is actually, I think it's the first camera that I name after myself. It's my Japanese name. But yeah, anyway, that's it. Most of my cameras are either named in Thai or in Japanese. There are some cameras that are named in English and German, but yeah, most of them are Japanese or Thai names. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day or a nice evening. Have a nice time. Have fun shooting. But yeah, enjoy. Bye.